Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger exhaust. First, ensure your vehicle is safely elevated on jack stands, not just a jack. This provides a secure workspace. Next, gather your tools, including various wrenches, sockets, and a good penetrating oil. It's also crucial to let the exhaust system cool completely to avoid burns. Safety is paramount for this task. Now, let's start disconnecting. Begin by generously applying penetrating oil to all bolts, nuts, and rubber hangers. This will make removal much easier, especially if rust is present. Carefully unbolt the exhaust system from its connection point, usually at the manifold or catalytic converter. Remember to gently disconnect any electrical sensors, like oxygen sensors, before proceeding. With the bolts and sensors disconnected, it's time to remove the system. Carefully detach the exhaust from its rubber hangers, often using a pry bar or specialized tool. It's usually easiest to work from the rear of the vehicle forward, supporting sections as you go. Have a helper if possible, as exhaust systems can be heavy and awkward. Slowly lower the entire system to the ground. A few final tips for your exhaust removal. Be prepared for stubborn, rusted bolts, which might require extra effort or even cutting. When installing a new system, always use new gaskets and hardware for a leak-free seal. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old exhaust components. Many auto parts stores or scrap metal yards can assist with this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.